Maximize your multitasking. In the next 10 seconds, I'll show you how to display Edge tabs when snapping on Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick and efficient way to enhance your browsing experience. Open Windows 11 settings. Select the System category from the left side. Then scroll down and click Multitasking. Click on the Show Microsoft Edge tabs when snapping or pressing Alt+Tab drop-down and select the desired option. If you select the first option, All Tabs, you will see all the tabs in Microsoft Edge to place them in the remaining panes in the snap layout. If you select the 5 most recent tabs or 3 most recent tabs option, Windows 11 will show you the 5 and 3 most recent tabs respectively to place them in the remaining panes in the snap layout. Referring to the above screenshot,